Hi everyone, welcome to the HYROX London Excel 2025 race vlog. Oh, it's following you now. Yep, so we're getting ready to go to the airport now. Flight is in 3 hours to London Heathrow. Racing tonight at 8 o'clock. Got a few friends and athletes on the Fusion program racing, haven't we? Athletes. So we'll go to watch them and then I'll go and have a chill and it's race time. This has been the A race for a while, so time to put all the work to work, I guess. Do what I can. Erin's doing a pro solo tomorrow, and then I've got open doubles on Sunday. Yeah, open doubles on Sunday after, but that we're going to do 2 separate videos. I'm going to try and get this one out today. Looks like a good course, so can't wait. So let's go to the airport. Woo!
Hi, I'm having my prep porridge. I'm running 30k tomorrow, so I'm feeling it. But if you've never had prep porridge, you need to have prep porridge, don't you?
So good.
So good. It's just like, I'd say it's like rice pudding, like delicious. And a flat white. And Michael's got a little cappuccino.
We are London Excel. London Excel Pro Solo. Let's go. Let's do it. Come on.
Woo!
We're in. We've got 50 minutes. We're a little bit short for time, but it's alright. We've got plenty of it. Plan tonight is to PB. Should PB, which means sub-hour for the first time since Glasgow in March. Nice one, mate. Let's go for a poo. Got quite a few boys on my wave. I'm not sure exactly who, but I've just heard there's a lot of fast boys racing, so that always helps. But I'll be there. Not at the start, I'll hold back. And then I'll pick up towards the end. See what we can do. It's mad in there. 1 lap course. So many stations. It's fucking mental, but it doesn't seem fast, but it doesn't seem slow. If anything, it's fast, so gotta take a while. We've got it. So yeah, see you in there.
Number 1, baby.
Come on. Mic'd up now.
You mic'd up?
Of the gear. This is Mr. Sinclair. He's asked to be in the last wave today because he wants everyone to clap him in and count these wall balls in.
Cleaning away all the gear, I will.
Yeah. Last heat. Sub-60 today.
Number
What were sub-60 for your wall balls?
Maybe, yeah, if I'm lucky. If I only drop them 3 times, I'll go sub-60 with wall balls. 57 for this man today.
57. That's great.
Let's go, man!
57, baby!
That's what
Come on, 57. I was not expecting that. I would have been happy with some hour, so.
I said 57. I was like, George, what's the on for? And he was like, 59, but it'll be close.
I think I just paced it so well. Like, didn't get carried away. I just stayed in my game and then paid off.
And you had no race, which is nice. Like,
Yeah.
it was really fast people.
Yeah, always helps. Come on.
Second so far.
Nah, he was quick.
Fair play. Fair play.
Such a good runner.
Yeah.
I can catch him a little bit, but I probably went out a little bit too slow and he went out fast. But okay, next time.
Yeah.
Nah, he's good, lad.
Yeah.
Did it, 57-52 in the largest HYROX ever. Unfortunately, I'm not first place in my age group. I am second place. Got beaten by Harvey Williams. Fair play to him. Fucking smashed his. He was miles ahead the whole way. Caught up to him a bit on the wall balls, but he still managed to do it. So well done to him. But should hold on to second place depending on what happens on Saturday. But yeah, I'm buzzing with that. I can't really complain too much. 2-minute PB. Open doubles on Sunday, possibly pro doubles on Saturday, but we'll see. But going to enjoy the rest of the weekend. But yeah, see ya.